going on YouTube? So today I am going to be fishing with Fishing Vibe. If you guys have seen them on Instagram or on YouTube, they've been posting. They got like 5,000 followers or something. But it's one of my buddies, Trey. You guys seen him all the time in my videos. But we're actually gonna go fishing. They've been killing it lately, so we're gonna head there. It's 6:28 in the morning, and we're gonna go catch some freaking bassies, guys. So I'm super excited. I haven't been fishing in a while, and hey, might as well do something fun.
Fishing vibes.
Guys, we got fishing vibes here.
About to have crazy adventures. Let's get it.
Catch some fucking bass.
We gotta go scoop dingus.
Yeah, I know. I gotta clean up my back because you know.
Good.
All right, yeah. Okay. Yeah, dude. All right, we got Delane.
Dingus.
Dingus.
Delay.
Dude, what are you doing?
Oh shit.
Someone did not know what they were doing. Obviously. Hopefully they're okay, but hopefully they don't be stupid for the rest of their life. Oh yeah, everybody's okay. Oh, there's an old man. He's getting served. Oh damn. That's pretty bad. But let's go fishing, guys. We gotta get one last rev before we gotta get out of here. Hey, what's up, bud? Hey, how you doing? So right now we're about to go get our stuff. We're here, the little lake's right there. We're about to get all of our stuff, and then we're gonna head out and hopefully catch some fish because it's early morning. We're gonna be biting whatnot. We got some frogs, we got some Delanes, we got some fishing vibes. So we're gonna go do all that. All right, so what's the challenge going to be? Biggest fish is
Biggest, most, and yeah.
That's it.
biggest, most, and yeah. What does that even mean?
Biggest and most fish.
Most,
All right,
most of the time
yeah.
most
So
species, but we're only going for bass.
yeah, but I mean, all right. So whoever gets the biggest.
I put this in their bag.
Don't you said it was gonna fit?
It don't.
Yeah, mine's pretty full right now. I got the full backpack of Adidas. My man think he fresh with the True Religion bag though. Yo, think he fresh. Time to go. Time to go. So biggest and the most fish, and if you get both.
Pretty much when I catch a fish, I win.
Oh, all right. I see how it is.
3 hours later.
We all got skunked. Nobody caught nothing. But we're probably gonna grab some food. I'm gonna grab some food because I'm hungry as hell. But then we're gonna go actually catch some fish. You know what I'm saying?
Snort some loopy fruits, whey protein, and yeah, I'm gonna get them gains.
Say we just moved. Okay.
Sir, Trooper Hunter with the State Police. So, the reason I stopped is because your tag is up there. It's not attached to the front of the car.
Yeah.
All right. Is there any reason it's not up front, or?
I just took the front one off. I just got these.
Okay.
They're temporary tags, so.
Okay. All right, Mr. Record. Do you have the registration for the car?
Yeah. And I got the insurance. Too.
All right. Keep that. Thank you. All right, guys. Give me a minute. I'll get you out of here.
Cool. Yo, we got that smell out quick.
It says 0 minutes. What's that mean?
Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, let me see it. We just got pulled over by the freaking state trooper because we didn't have the front tag, but we'll be good.
Registration. Okay. So, it's a citation for not having the plate attached up at the front of the car. Okay. So, Maryland law actually states it has to be attached horizontally up at the front. Okay. So I get that it's up there. It's still in view, but it's got to be up front there.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just a fine. There's not any points. It's not a moving violation. Okay. So you can pay the fine within 10 days. That'd be it. Nothing else happens. All right. Your second option you have is called a waiver hearing. Okay. Waiver hearing is admission of guilt to a judge in traffic court, but you'd have an explanation. So he might reduce the penalty, he might not, but you got to pay for court costs.
How much is it?
$70.
Dang.
Okay. And your third option, you plead not guilty. It's a regular trial. Okay.
70 bones.
So, you're good to go. Just be safe whenever you pull out of here. All right.
All right, man. Thanks.
We got a goddamn fine. $70 for an adult fucking ticket.
How you doing, breakfast?
Breakfast?
Breakfast.
Yes, we are.
Let me get chicken minis.
Okay, the meal?
Yeah.
What's the drink?
Half and half.
Why are you yelling?
You can't hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Alright, anything else?
No.
He's like, no. Alright, 657, have a nice day.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I can't wait to see your face. Like. Can I get some Chick-fil-A sauce? Oh, there's a cop right there. I'm geeking. Hot boy status. As we were getting ready to leave, he got one on the line. Oh shoot, that's a big boy. Get him in, get him in. Ooh! Get him. He's barely hooked, yeah. Damn.
Chunker.
Didn't I just call that though? I said that was a nice cast. You're probably gonna catch one. That's a big, yo.
Stop. Take it.
.8. What's that?
It's only 2.8.
2.8.
You don't know how accurate the scale is.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we got me and Trey got skunked. He got one, but I mean, one's better than none. But comment down below if you guys want to see some more fishing videos with this guy right here. Kind of tired for real, not gonna lie. But comment, rate, subscribe. Go check him out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.